For a minute, imagine the future. What do you see? Here's what I see. I see never having to charge a device again. I see medical implants that can use our body's heat for energy. I see cookware that can collapse down and expand when heated, and I built it. I see spacecrafts that can survive the cosmic micrometeorites and self-heal. And I see shape-shifting. And I don't mean aliens or werewolves. I mean smart materials. So what connects these technologies? Smart materials. And these are not science fiction any longer, because they're being developed here and now. So what are some of these smart materials? Well, some of these smart materials include nitinol, a shape memory alloy that has the unique ability to transform its shape when heated above a certain temperature threshold. And today, I want to speak with you about my mission to accelerate the innovation and accessibility of smart materials. My name is Deshmukh, a 10th grader, and I want to talk to you about one of the most important questions of our generation, which is, what will you design? For me, the answer lay in smart materials, because there I found something that I wouldn't find anywhere else. I found the material nitinol, and I'd like to share that with you today. When I started as a child in robotics. I was greatly intrigued by robotics, science, and being a maker in general. And from here, I went on to go to robotics championships, and I learned several things. Some things perplexed me about how motors could break down so easily, how we had to exchange motors because of the wear and tear of the gears, and how they could break down after being hit. So this led for me to go on a quest to find a solution. On this solution, I interviewed Dr. Ritu Raman, a researcher at MIT who works with smart materials and is designing biobots, which replicate muscles. When applied light, they can contract and self-heal as well. So next on my journey, I was accepted into a Launchix at MIT, an entrepreneurship program where I co-founded the company Falcon, where we designed collapsible cookware that expands when heated, that uses smart material nitinol. This can be used to help us by helping with travel, transportation, with shipping costs, as well as the ability to help the refugees and people who have survived a natural disaster get the equipment they need to cook faster. From here, I went on a journey to make things open source, because today, smart materials are locked within a proprietary orbit, and I wanted to change that. The makers and builders of this world need to come together and to make an open source platform so we can design and accelerate the innovation of smart materials. So from here, on that note, I participated in the 2018 MIT Solve, which we designed protocells that can replicate some of the properties of coral reefs so that we can reduce the ocean's acidification. And when we combine these with smart materials, we will have the ability to reduce our carbon footprint in our smart materials of the future. And from here, I questioned all the makers to come together, and from here, to design something new, to come together with not just in a vacuum of biological, chemical, or mechanical engineering, to make friends with nature or else doom ourselves. And my question to you is, what will you design? Because our world needs new designs. Thank you.